Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming power. Check the battery tab or plug. You need a steady power source. Once done, pick a mount spot 5 to 20 feet from bedrooms. CO disperses with air, so location matters. Make sure to remove any plastic pull tab and press the test/reset button to verify power and chirp. Then, align the mounting plate to the wall and mark screw holes. That gets you ready for secure installation and immediate monitoring. Once the plate is marked, drill holes, insert anchors, and screw the plate firmly. You want a snug mount. Next, attach the detector until it clicks. This completes the electrical or battery contact. Then, set any sensitivity or mode switches per your model so it fits home use. Afterward, press and hold the test button for about 5 seconds. You should hear a loud alarm and see LEDs. If the alarm sounds, you've completed setup and the unit is operational. Finish by recording the install date on the label so you know when to replace the detector. Sensors typically last 5 to 7 years. Make sure to test monthly. Replace batteries yearly or when you hear chirps. If the unit fails to alarm during tests, first remove and reseat the battery or power cord and try again, then press test. If that still fails, replace the unit. Do not rely on a non-responsive detector for safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.